Welcome to Serpent's Gold. I think it's time to bring back Mercury from Ford Motor Company. I think it's incredible to able to direct the Mercury brand into airlines, so we have more competition for airlines, and to bring the Mercury the simplicity and elegance, and incredible to do a Serpent's Gold package. It will have a nice ruby red paint color with a nice red interior seats, and have a nice interior, and we weigh but price, but get more seat room for tall people and able to hold more luggage. I hope this goes through.